All right, today I'm going to install the power by the hour alternator and AC bracket. You see I've already marked the 3 little bosses that have to come off, and then I have to grind this section out right here as well for clearance. I'm going to be using a Sawzall and a Tiger disc. All right, using the Sawzall and cutting from this angle here, that one came off pretty easy. Okay, I got everything cut off. Now I'm gonna get a Tiger disc and start grinding this stuff smooth. All right, I got everything ground smooth. Here's the power by the hour kit. I'm going to use a junk Boss 302 alternator and start mocking it up, see if I trimmed enough out. Okay, I got the bracket assembled on the alternator. I'll tighten it up in just a second and try to test it. All right, I got the alternator on. This is the 2019 stock Mustang alternator. I did have to grind a little bit more right there. You can kind of see it right above the P and the B. It wasn't sitting flush, so I took a little bit more off the top of the cover, but it didn't seem to be an issue. I don't know if that's right to put your ground strap right there, but I did it anyway, so we'll see what happens. All right, now installed the bottom of the AC bracket. And next is going to be the top and then the compressor. All right, got the compressor mounted up now, and I'm going to loosen up the alternator, slide the belt in the back, and then install the belt. All right, now installed the power steering bracket. I need to tighten this one down. It has a bolt that goes through to the back to a nut, and then I'll put the tensioner back on and then bolt up the power steering plug.